Hello, leaders. Welcome back to Suppliers Platform, your go-to spot for all things leadership. Today, we're delving into the art of decision-making, the secret sauce to effective leadership. So, buckle up, and let's make some impactful decisions together. Tip 1. Define your goal. Clearly define your goal before making any decision. This helps you stay focused and ensures that every choice aligns with the bigger picture. Tip 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all the relevant information before deciding. It's like being a detective. The more clues you have, the better your decision making. Tip 3. Embrace collaboration. 2 or more heads are often better than one. Engage your team, gather diverse perspectives, and make decisions that benefit from collective wisdom. Tip 4. Weigh pros and cons. List out the potential outcomes, evaluate the risks, and find that sweet spot where the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. Tip 5. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Intuition is a powerful tool in your decision-making arsenal. Tip 6. Plan for contingencies. Always have a plan B. Anticipate potential challenges and have contingency plans in place. It's like having a safety net for your decisions. Tip 7. Learn from mistakes. Learn from your decisions, especially the ones that don't go as planned. Every misstep is an opportunity for growth and improvement. There you have it, leaders. 7 tips to master the art of decision making. If you enjoyed these insights, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more leadership wisdom, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.